What the?
Oh, there we go. Later.
Definitely gonna blur this one out. Oh, no! There we go. Oh.
That's the right guy.
Oh. Dude, you missed it. The seagulls jacked my bait. They flew off with the entire bag of shrimp.
Really? You get it back?
I did. I ran all the way down the beach. Dude, it was too heavy, so it's like dragging on the ground as it's flying with the whole herd. Alright, so let me tell you, the waves were rigged today. I swear, when I got in, look at this, it was flat. But I start paddling like a couple feet, and then this set comes through out of nowhere. I thought I had that time perfectly.
Yeah,
Came out of nowhere.
yeah, I got kind of squirrely.
That's sick. Never caught one of these. Come on again. Oh, I got a rockfish. Dude, this is so cool. Come on again. Yay, there we go. Finally got the right species. Sheephead. This one stringer has so many species. There we go. Another sheep. Oh, looks like I got one too. What the?
Oh, there we go.
Definitely gonna blur this one out.
No way! That's so funny. Another stinking rat. Oh no!
What's that?
I mean, the one I lost felt like a bigger bite. These ones feel like bigger bites. Here we go. Let's see what you are. Dang it! It keeps popping off.